everybody! This week's Saturday Scribbles will be super simple, and it is just a really quick camera doodle. Kind of looks like an Instax camera, the square ones. And so basically you just start with a square, a rounded off square preferably, but it doesn't have to be. Really, you can customize this a lot of ways. You can design the case, you can leave it all one color, so many options. And for mine, I had the lens open, and so I put a little highlight to show that the lens was open and reflecting the light, as they do. And I had a little photo popping out of mine, just to show that it's printing. And I put little cat ears and a cat head because if it were me, it would probably be a picture of my cats. So there's that. And I just drew it a second time just to give a different angle and different lighting. And this one's a little more rectangular looking. It totally looked a square when I drew it, but looking back on it, it's definitely more rectangular. But that's okay, because most cameras are rectangular, so you can think of it in those terms. You can draw two different kinds of cameras. And so again, lens is open, super simple design, and you can put as much detail or as little detail as you want. I think that the simple design would be nice for a bullet journal spread. So you could have like different kinds of design cameras or just different shaped cameras around your weeklies, or even for the cover. And I think it would also be nice if you put it on a little greeting card that's just like, hey, how are you doing? Just something like that. If nothing else, they're really relaxing to draw, and they're quick, and in about 5 minutes you can really de-stress with this doodle, in my opinion. So that's nice. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I know it's super fast this week, but sometimes we don't have a lot of time to watch longer videos, so I hope that this works for you. Thank you for watching. See you next week.